Chips are down. Chips are down. It's an idiom. It means to be in a difficult or dangerous situation. That is, if you say that something happens when the chips are down, you mean it happens when a situation gets very difficult, when a situation is very bad. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, when the chips were down, all the employees rallied around the chairman. So gathered around the chairman. When they were all in dangerous position, in dangerous situation, all the employees gathered around the chairman. That's the reason when the chips were down. Second one, Tinku was always there to help out when my chips were down. So whenever I was in situation, dangerous situation or difficult situation, Tinku helps me. That's the reason when my chips were down, when I was in dangerous situation. Third one day when the chips are down, you will know who your true friends are. So when you are in dangerous situation, difficult problem, then you will realize who the real friends are. That's the reason when the chips are down, when you are in danger. Fourth one, true friends will stand by you when the chips are down. When you are in difficult situation, the true friends will stand by you, will support you. That's the reason when the chips are down, when you are in dangerous situation. Fifth one, you can tell a lot about person's character from how they act when the chips are down. When somebody is in a dangerous position, then how he behaves. Based on this, we can assess that person's character. So how you behave when you are in difficult situation is very, very important. When your chips are down is very, very important. When we look at the origin of this idiom, chips are down, the chips referred to here are not potato chips, but the ones generally used in gambling. In movies, when the hero and the villain play cards, they keep increasing the stakes by throwing plastic chips on the table. These colored chips are a substitute for money. So when you are gambling and you find that your chips are down, it means you are losing. You are in a difficult situation because you don't have much money left. So from this game of gambling, chips are down has come into existence. It means to be in a difficult or dangerous situation.